Hello for 𝗟𝗘𝗃𝗏, a little report after just 8 days using this really lovely system, 𝗪𝗘𝗘𝗞𝗟𝗬 secret. So I'm going to put the glasses on. So I am a marketer working online since 10 years full time, and we all know that if we don't have traffic, we haven't got any businesses. So I stumbled on this service and top leader, world leader, give it to me, Rob 4, and so I started 8 days ago and to test the traffic, and it really surprised me. So first of all, when I saw the price, I was really skeptic, and then I understand, because you will see a link here down the bottom of the video. I understand when I saw the owner where those leads are really coming from, and I understand how they can do a price so cheap. Okay, so this is a place for any marketer, even if you're new or even if you're expert. You will have, for just $1 a day, you will have 100 fresh USA leads that are all interested in opportunity, work from home, whatever, because they want to make money online. So every day you got 100 leads coming to your back office here. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on leads. You don't need any autoresponder. Okay, so you see here you have all the leads. I'm going to just open once, then I'm going to blur the names. Okay, I'm going to open, just a second. Okay, the leads are very fresh. This is the last one coming from the 11th of May. Today is 12th of May. So those leads, they're coming in. You got everything, address, IP, name, surname, city, everything. So those leads are coming every day, and what you can do, you can post them your offer. You don't need to send the capture page because those are your leads. By the way, your leads, if you want, you can even download them to your autoresponder. Okay, so what you have to do, you see my results so far. So as you can see, the click-through is outstanding. It's 43%, 9 here. It's really good. So you go here, you come here, any offer you have, you just go here, create your message. You can post once a day. Okay, so just go here. As you can see, the first day you had 100 leads, but then if you just introduce one person, which he pay only $30 a month, $1 a day, your leads will double. So after the first day, I introduced at least one person. So each day now I got 200 fresh USA leads. Okay, so you come here, you decide to who you want to send the message. If you want to sell to all, you just select all, or otherwise you just select the others. You will select all. Then if you want to send the message that you have already in the system, if that the new leads just came in, you just click on here and you will populate your email. Otherwise, you put the subject here. You can even put first name, last name, or whatever, and then you put the body here. Okay, you click body here. Then you will have a button here. You don't see it right now because in just 1 hour I'm going to be able to send my next broadcast. You can click here if you want them to send on the perfect time, because they know the leads when they open the email. So until now, I really had some good results. I sent some business some link on my businesses. On one business, I got 2 sign up. I tracked them, which they spend $120, $120. I had a couple emails coming in asking me for information, and then I got signed up also in the system. I didn't know that it have also a compensation plan built in. So if you go here on affiliate, it's very nice compensation plan. So just a second, it's loading. Wait, I'm gonna stop here. So the compensation plan.
People are getting insane results using my advertising.
It's 5 levels. So the first person you get 5 a month, and then second level 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you got anything in any network market and in any business, we all know you need fresh leads. You need fresh responsive lead. At this price, I don't think they can keep it open for for everyone forever. So you get paid in 5 levels, but on top of that, if you introduce just 5 people in a week, you get a bonus of $100. Because those leads that are coming fresh from outside, those leads are now aware from about this business, because the leads that are coming from 10 different sources. Okay, I'm going to show you. So let's go back here. Just a second. You go create a message. You go here, email by lead. As you can see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are all different top leaders. Can be Anthony Roberts or whatever, So they're all coming from different sources. So those leads are not coming from just one source. Okay. So you really got a variety of leads. Okay. So, and the affiliate plan. Just been since 8 days, I didn't even know that there was an affiliate plan. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to show you the commission, because I didn't really start to promote every. As you can see, already $390. Why
are getting insane results using
$390? Sorry for the video. $19. Why you promote your businesses? I mean, if you haven't got any businesses, you can promote the service here, because the service, as you see, the emails, you can just copy and paste, because those leads are not aware about this system. You can promote ClickBank, because they're all opportunity seekers. So you just can go on ClickBank, and whatever business you are, as long as it's a legit business, you can promote it. So this is my quick update just after 8 days. I'm very satisfied with this 𝗪𝗔𝗔 𝗕𝗢𝗏. There's going to be a link down here to sign up. You can click on it, you see the short video from the owner, and you understand how they can manage to have this cheap price. And you will understand this is the secret that the top marketers, they haven't told anyone. So this system, as you can see, I'm a number 2,800 and something. Maybe right now there are 3,000. So this system, only 3,000 people around the world are aware. So there is plenty of room if you want to, introduce this system to other people. And I can assure you, 99% do not know the way those people, they collect email. Okay, so I hope this helps you. In whatever business you are, you click on the link down here. You will need, leads. You will need exposure to your business, because we all know a business without exposure is not a business. Let's be serious. It's just an hobby. Okay. So bye for Celso. Until next time. Have a nice day.